If you are someone in 2025 and looking to build Electron application and want to distribute it to your users, then what is the optimal and what is the best way to distribute it? So this video and this guide, I will talk about it. So let's get into it. Obviously, I have made a starter kit which you can use to understand how exactly it works. So go to macOS 101, go to Package.json and you will get all the code on how exactly to publish. But if I just give you this OS, just use this starter kit and build your application on top of it. Now to release a new version, you need this particular command, copy paste it and run it in terminal, and it will build the application for Windows, Linux and Mac. And to see the releases, you can go to here and you can see the releases. So you can see ARM is there, 64, zip is there, and then exe is there. So Linux is not here because there was some network issue and I couldn't upload the latest release, but you can always run npm run release to override this 1.0.2. And now let's see how it works in the terminal. So this is the first version I ran, which created a new git tag of 1.0.2, and it actually started to build it, but I cancelled it and I did npm run release because the tag was already created. So this time it started to build it and it built for Windows, like for the Mac application. After it has built for the Mac, it has again tried to build it. Again, there was some network issue at this point of time. So that's why you can see this particular issue. But again, it overcome that and it started to build it for Windows application. And Windows, you can see that it was uploaded. And again, I'm using force signing off, so it will given run anywhere option in Windows, but you can always buy a certificate and you can always use that for Windows, which is very easy to integrate. And you can see uploading the Windows version and it has done the Windows. And while doing the Windows, it had some issue, and because of that issue it was not uploaded. But the same command actually uses something called Linux. So if I go to the package.json and if I show you, so this is the app image which is for Linux, and I'm building for ARM 64 and 64 architecture, and target is again DAB, and which is architecture 64 and ARM 64. And again we have force code signing as false, so it will be self-signed. And if I go to this particular version and if I go to npm run release, which is here, you can see we are doing npm run release Linux, and we are running npm run release for every time. And in Linux you can say npm run build production and npm run build rebuild Linux and Electron builder Linux publish always. So we are doing this. So if you just run npm run release and Linux like this one in terminal, since Windows, I'm assuming Windows is already uploaded, so you can just write. Let me just clear it for you. So you can just write npm run release Linux. So let me zoom it for you. So if you run this particular command, it will rebuild the whole application and it will upload it to GitHub. So right now I don't have any GitHub issues or network issues, so it will upload it after building it. So you can see it is right now packaging for the Linux and architecture is 64 and it will upload. So how the process actually works. So if I just give you an Excalidraw overview, let me just do this one. So this is your obviously your local terminal. Let me say you run the npm run release command, which actually package the application, build and package. And after that, once it is built and packaged, okay, so let me just give you an arrow to really understand it is done. And once it is done, you sign it. So you code signing happens. So let me just do this one. And once code signing is done, then you upload to GitHub. So this is how the process actually happens. And right now I'm using GitHub personal token to give the exclusive access to my repository. So if you use this same code base and if you push to the same repository, so you have this code Here, let me just show you. So in the package.json, you have this code. Like if I go to GitHub, you can see it is owner prosamic, repo is macOS 1. So if you push npm release, it will throw an error because you don't have my personal access token from GitHub. So you have to create your own repo, your own owner name, and you have to export the GH token here. And this is how you upload to GitHub for every release. So let me just do for every. You do this for every release. So this is the whole flow for every release. You go to terminal, then build and package, then code signing, then upload to GitHub. Now code signing depends on every other platform. Windows had its own algorithm. Linux has its own. In Mac, you sign and notarize. So I'm just assuming in code signing only. Then you upload to GitHub. So this is the whole flow. Now, if your DMG or if your .exe or if your .app image is more than 2 GB, it will not fit in GitHub. So that time you have to give call something called AWS key. So this is it. This is how you create the distribution pipeline for your desktop application. And this is the guide I want to talk about. So till then, take care, and I will see you in the next video with new updates.